this video, I'll show you how to print a booklet from Canva. Open your booklet design in Canva, click the Share icon in the top right corner and select Download. Choose PDF print as the file type. If your design requires precise trimming, check the crop marks and bleed option to ensure accurate cutting. Click Download to save the PDF file to your device. Open the downloaded PDF using a browser or PDF viewer. Click the print icon. Then adjust settings such as paper size, orientation, or scaling to match your printing needs. That's it! Your booklet are now ready for printing. Thanks for watching.